Good evening. The Modi government has claimed that the record number of COVID-19 vaccinations on Monday is a result of the centre taking back charge of vaccine procurement from the states. Data, however, shows that the record of 86 lakh vaccination was enabled by slowing down vaccination in Bharatiya Janata Party-ruled states in the run-up to Monday. Madhya Pradesh saw the highest number of vaccination across all states with 16.9 lakh doses administered on Monday. The previous day, however, it had delivered just 692 doses of the vaccine. Data from the centre's vaccination platform CoWIN shows. Health Minister Harshavardhan tweeted to say that 86 lakh vaccination was the highest ever single-day coverage across the world. However, on June 9th, Nature reported that China had vaccinated 2 crore people a day for more than a week. The slowdown in Madhya Pradesh had started from June 17 itself. While 33,08,847 vaccine doses were delivered on June 16, the next 4 days showed a steeply declining trend. 12,04,226 doses on June 17, 14,862 doses on June 18, 22,006 doses on June 19, and just 692 doses of vaccine on June 20. While the average number of doses delivered per day between June 13 to June 16 was 22,08,784, this dropped by over 400% to 42,850 doses between June 17 to June 20. Karnataka, the state with the second highest number of vaccinations on Monday, delivered 11.21 lakh doses in a day. The previous day, June 20, Sunday, it had administered only 68,172 doses. While Sunday usually sees a drop in vaccination, Karnataka did better on previous Sundays, giving 12,06,389 doses on June 6 and 96,956 doses on June 13. Uttar Pradesh delivered 7,25,898 vaccine doses on Monday after a low of 8,800 doses on Sunday, which was 35% lower than the average number of doses administered on the previous 2 Sundays. The fluctuation in vaccination was less dramatic in Gujarat, which administered 5,10,434 vaccine doses on Monday after 1,89,953 vaccines on Sunday, the lowest level in 17 days. After 4 days of a rising graph of vaccination, Assam registered a sharp drop on June 20, that is 33,654, before seeing a record high on Monday, 36,707. Non-BJP states also saw a drop in vaccination levels on June 20, but this was keeping in line with the usual drop seen on Sundays. Nor was the vaccination level on June 21 vastly higher than previous days. For instance, Maharashtra delivered 3,83,495 vaccine doses on June 21, not much higher than 3,81,765 doses given out on June 19. While the state saw a drop on June 20, delivering just 1,13,109 doses, this was higher than the 87,273 doses administered the previous Sunday. The same was the case with Rajasthan, which delivered 4.46 lakh vaccine doses on June 21, the same day it did on June 11. India's vaccination program has been plagued with political wrangling between the centre and the states. Initially, the centre procured vaccinations from the manufacturers directly and supplied them to the states. However, the states reporting acute shortages of vaccine during the brutal second wave of COVID-19, the centre changed the procurement policy in April and allowed states to directly purchase vaccines for people aged 18 to 44 years, even though, barring West Bengal, no other state had explicitly asked for such rights. The change in policy was widely criticized for creating an untenable situation of several states competing to buy vaccines from a small set of approval vaccine makers at a time of global scarcity. Experts argued the centre was better placed to negotiate vaccine purchase. Even the Supreme Court said the policy was prima facie arbitrary and irrational. On June 7, the centre partially reversed its policy, taking back the responsibility for procuring vaccines for states, announcing that vaccines would now be free for all. However, it continued to allow private entities to buy vaccines directly from manufacturing companies with only the service charge and not the price of the vaccines capped at Rs 150 for a dose. Thank you.